Okay. Ito ka, sir. Ito ka para makita. So as I mentioned, do not leave your arm on the ground like so. Okay? Kasi one submission that you can attempt is an armbar here. How? Any idea how? The moment you trap this, when you isolate this, okay? Nakakapel, ano magiging natural reaction ni sir? He's gonna pull away. Uy, sakto. From this position, without me even kicking, yung sakto tulak niya. He attack. Siya nagbigay ng momentum. Siya nagbigay ng opportunity. At dahil naka-MMA gloves tayo, pag yan nilagay ko sa ulo ko, hindi yan basta-basta matatanggal. Hindi yan bawal. Basta wala akong ipapasok na daliri sa gloves. Okay? So don't leave your arm here. Secondly, magkakamay naman nandito. Ito, alam na to. Basic armbar. The moment you cross the arm, okay, hindi ako nakakap, katawan lang yan. No? I'll grab the elbow, talaga naka-isolate. And then grab here dahil walang lapel. I'll bring this base down. A natural reaction is to posture up. So nakakontrol ako. From this position, kung paka ko na ito, sipa sa gilid, sampay, armbar. Now if that doesn't work, buka ako dito, I'll get this leg, switch, armbar. Now if that still doesn't work, he crushes me. Yan, angat ako, pendulum sweep. Oh, wala. Pwede, reverse armbar.
Paano pendulum sweep?
Ito, pendulum sweep. Nadagdag ako, dapat walang pendulum sweep. Balikan ko lang ha. Nakababa siya, lapit, swing, armbar. Hindi gumana, dito, sampay. Hindi pa rin gumana, balik ako dito, he's crushing me now. Armbar, he was crushing me kasi gusto kong iangat, gusto niya ibaba. I'll grab this, and then I'll grab his leg. Dito kami para makita. In this position dahil binababa niya yung base ko, parang bola. Ano bang bola? Ginugulong. Okay? Igugulong ko si Sir Mark. Saka ako matapusin. Lahat yun nangyari dahil yung kamay niya nasa sahig at nasa gitna. Therefore, huwag natin iniiwanan doon. Okay? Posture tayo parati. Ayun ang favorite kong armbar yung nakabara dito sa leg. Kasi MMA, lipit ko lang. Ang natural reaction is to pull away. So, ito gagawin natin for today, ha? Balikan ko lang, ha? Arm here. Grab, under. Trap. Isolate. Once you trap this, expect si partner is gonna pull up. Okay? Pwede yung madaliin. Paano mo madaliin? Simple pull. Shoot talaga sa leg. Sampay talaga. Armbar. Tapos neto, he's gonna crush you. Kunwari defense, if that doesn't work, kung pasok sa ilalim, roll him towards this direction. Kung saan ang ulo niya. Sequence 1. Sequence 2, ito tayo. Dalawang sequence ha. Puro plan A, plan B ha. So plan A, B, C, D. Sequence 2, pag ang kamay nandito. Grab. Kailangan na ma-X ha. Sipa. Adjot. If that doesn't work, kamay pasok dito. Swing. Wala na, sa leg ha. Ay dito sa batok, kailangan nakahook pa rin. So, Sir Mark, extend. Alright? That's sequence number 2. Now, to be practical, I'm not expecting naman na makukuha natin yung lahat ng technique na yun. Within those 4 techniques, kahit makakuha ka ng isa na pabor para sa katawan mo, that's a good fighting day for you. Get? Kasi kung umabot tayo sa plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D, eh kung plan A pa lang gumagana na, I'll find that later. To be realistic, kung ang plan D, ibig sabihin plan A hindi gumagana, kahit hanggang plan D ka lang gumagana, okay. Alright? Kakayanin? Thank you. See you, Bin.